What the hell are you doing here? I'm sleeping. Can you see? You're what? You're what? Hungry? Oh god damn it. What do you want? Egg fried rice? Fine, let's go. I will make you some. Let's go, come on. Let's begin then. First, chicken breast. Let's get this shit, shall we? Now let's put everything in the fucking bowl, shall we? Let's marinate the chicken with some salt, some ginger powder, and of course, just not forget to season the table, the very important part. Pepper, my color, some smoked paprika, a little bit of soy sauce. Okay, not a little bit, make sure it's enough for it. And some teriyaki sauce. Come on. And let's mix it. Look what I'm doing. Playing with food, very important. Now we just put it aside for it to let the flavor kick into the meat while we prep everything else for the fried rice. For the vegetables, carrot, bell pepper, and mushrooms, of course. So let's prepare them, shall we? Let's peel and cut the carrot, I guess. Let's cut it. Well, you can cut this shit any way you want, but I just choose to cut in half arches. Yeah, paste it to the bowl. Brick, no bell pepper. Don't move, board, please. I'm cutting it. I don't need to cut my finger off. I'd rather keep it. Look at it. Peppers, carrots. Look, it's just, look at this. It's beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful vegetables. Love it. Mushroom time. Let's go. Let's cut those motherfuckers. Get them a bit bigger and prepare it. I just like the mushrooms actually. And just like everything else, for now, all the mushrooms into the bowl. Go! Okay. Like that. Put it in and do the next step, shall we? Heat the oil and then, like with guys fried rice, put in one egg. Always just put the egg aside for now. Our egg. Leave it again. And yeah. Before we continue, we prepare the garlic. We did that stuff. Cut out the ends. Maybe easier. Gently. I just want to make it easier enough to take off the skin. That's it. Okay. No need to fully crush like the others do. Nice, gentle, and then you just always take off nicely everything. Now we cut it in half. Like this. And like this. And the rest the same. And the rest the same. There you go, that's one best. There you go. Garlic for the air fried rice. The preheated pan, put on the chicken. Right with this. Yeah, here the sizzle. Beautiful. Nice. It's very nice to cook for now. So that all sides get cooked fully. It's finished, put it back into the bowl. Yeah. After you finish it, don't eat the oil, not clean. Just put more oil. Because you're gonna need this thing. Now let's put on some garlic and let it sizzle a bit. Let's give it, get that nice aroma going first. Get your garlic, put in your carrots and bell peppers, and now just cook it till it's softened. So nice and soft. When vegetables started softening, let's put on our mushrooms and again cook till fully cooked. Now that our vegetables started soften, all the mushrooms, everything, let's put on the most important ingredient. Oh, they are all the rice. You do not want to use fresh rice for egg fried rice. You want to use the old one. Just now. All the rice. Make this a bit. Of course, you want to put, of course, never forget to put some soy sauce. It's authorized egg fried rice, you need soy sauce, so come on. And then just mix and make sure that all of that is covered with soy sauce. Recently, and you better also add some chicken bouillon for the extra flavor. Extra salt, so it is not salted at all. My boiled energy, so we can make nice. Yeah, and of course, here's what usually a lot of Chinese restaurants use, MAG, because chicken bouillon is already with it, so using pure MAG, we use extra flavor, make it even more tasty, make the rice even more tasty. Because it's cooking, we can finally introduce our spices, the chicken with all its juices to make sure it's nice and reheated again. You still don't find flavor problem. Yeah? Of course, and also our little leg as well. everything. Look at that. Then we can see vegetables, we can see chicken, rice. That is beautiful. It's fucking beautiful. Now let's plate. And for garnish, some spring onions. Always. Come on, look at that. Look at that. Tell me it's not fucking beautiful. Come on. Look at that. And let's taste test. Okay, good. Come on. Beautiful, delicious, easy. Hello! I hope you enjoyed this recipe. It's fucking good. I'm enjoying it really good. Of course, you enjoyed. It's fucking amazing. Come on. It's like rice. It's great. Always. Oh, fucking chill. But I can eat now, so. Like always, if you enjoy, like, subscribe, comment, all this other shit, and you desire, we'll see you each other again. See ya!